Drowning in a sea of Notion pages, let's build some sidebars to rescue your productivity in just 90 seconds. First, open a new or existing Notion page. We'll start by creating a new page within that page. Type per page and select page. This will be the foundation of our sidebar. Name this page Sidebar or whatever you like. And give it a relevant icon. This makes it visually distinct and easy to spot. Next, choose the empty with icon option. Now comes the magic. Click and drag your newly created sidebar page to the far left or right of your main page content. You'll see a blue line appear, indicating where it will dock. Release the mouse button. Voila! You've created a basic sidebar. It's currently empty. But don't worry, we'll fill it with goodies. Within your sidebar, add links to your most frequently accessed Notion pages. You can do this by typing per page and selecting link to page. Choose the page you want to link to repeat this process for all your essential pages. To enhance the design of your sidebar, use dividers, headers, and even callout boxes to categorize and highlight important information. Type per divider for a divider, and use headings to group your links logically. And that's it. You've mastered the art of Notion sidebars. Create multiple sidebars for different projects or areas within your workspace to take your organization to the next level. Experiment, customize, and watch your Notion productivity. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.